And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a re-release of the HG Cosmic Era from the Gundam Seed Destiny line, the Blast Impulse Gundam. Yes, it is a PBandai exclusive release a couple of years ago and has been re-released due to the movie of Gundam Seed Freedom. And here it is now in its original colors. There is rumored to be a RG release of the Blast Impulse Bat Inspect 2. Anyways, looking at the box art, yes, this is a typical PBandai box art where it's a monocolor. This time is a monocolor green. We see the kit here and we see the Blast Impulse Gundam in action over here. Now, off to the side, again, we can see it's just the name here, Blast Impulse Gundam. Blast Impulse Gundam, other side Blast Impulse Gundam, and some information. Now, taking a look inside the box, we first see one bag with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues, one all yellow, one all red, some PCs, all white and green. Yeah. Another bag. Multi sprues inside the bag this time again, so some clear parts, some blue, some of that green again, a lighter shade of green on another bag, all grays and all whites, and a big bag here with 3 sprues of some of that dark blue, gray and white. And yes, the instruction manual wherein there's no picture of the Gundam itself, it's just the instructions on how to build it. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first off we have the A sprue here, actually the A1, which is all white. We see some parts of the shield, the silhouette flyer, the head, the legs. That's the A1. It actually also has an A2 sprue here, which is a part of A1 duplicated, which is this part here. Yep, so that's the A1 and the A2. We also have a B1 sprue here, which is all gray, some parts of the weapon and some parts of the body, the inner frames. It also has a B2 here duplicated, some parts of course. And we have a C1, which is a dark blue or dark purplish blue color here, some armor parts, some shoulders. It also has a C2, which is a light green color, and then a D1, which is all red, so mostly parts of the backpack and of the gun. We also have a D2, more I see parts of the feet here and the torso. And we have an F1, which is all the yellow colors of the kit. So parts of the shield, parts of the torso, the V pin there. We also have an F2, which is a clear red part, which is an effect part actually, for the beam javelin. And what else do we have? We actually have a G1 sprue here, which is a darker green color, so more parts of the backpack right now for the blast option. So that's the G1, and it has also a G2. Of course, it has 2 barrels, so some parts are duplicated for that. And we have an H1, back to all white, parts of the backpack for this one here. And we have a clear part here for, oh sorry, this is actually an F2. So an F2 for the clear part. This is just for the head actually. We have some PC parts here, PC002, which is for the joints, PC007 here again for the joints, and then a small sticker sheet here. So partly the color separation is already good, but some places need some stickers. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the PBandai HGCE 1/144 Blast Impulse Gundam from its line Gundam Seed Destiny. Yes, and we are waiting for the RG release of the Blast Impulse Gundam Spec 2, which most of the colors have been changed. Most of the white is actually a light green color. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, liking the video, sharing the video, viewing other videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.